Okay, well, your topic is describe any function in which you played very prominent role. What was the role, and where did you perform it, and what special did you perform in that function?
Okay, I'm teacher by profession, and right now I'm teaching in one of a renowned school of Jhelum, which is Army Public School, and I'm working there as a coordinator, and also regarding my subject, and also as a extracurricular activity organizer, or we can say as a coordinator. So we had one of the event or the task which came from a very known organization, that is Sparko, and it's the World Space Week, which comes every year, which is organized every year from 4th to 10th of October, and I worked as a focal person in that event. I organized that event in a very good manner, and I was also appreciated by my administration and formation. And in that, I organized different competitions, like different model making and the working models, also the space declamation, we can say the speeches or debates on the regarding space. And we had a lot more in that. We had creative writing competition among students. It is very helpful for the students to for them to increase, it is for the increase of their knowledge, and also it inculcates the enthusiasm and boosts their skills which are hidden in them. So it was a very good and very a new experience for me in organizing that event.
Okay, do you think that when we organize any function or when we play any important role in that particular function, we get motivated and we, perform our role in the more enthusiastic way?
Not only by participating in that, but also by being appreciated by any of the head, or we can say the administration, that plays a vital role. I think all of us have the skill to organize or to participate in the event. But when we are appreciated by someone, or we are given a prize, like we can say cash prize or some sort of certificate, then that plays an important role, and it boosts up or increases it increases the enthusiasm to do more for the betterment and to participate more in such sort of events.
Do you think that our institutions must organize such sort of functions in order to boost up the students' hidden talent and the teachers as well?
Yes, before this event, I was not sure that it will be very successful, or I was not sure that where it will take me and take my school. So after everything was done, it all from the 4th to the 10th of October, we did our best. We tried to give our best. And when the result came, it was really marvelous, because I was not expecting a wonderful participation from my colleagues and also from the students. All the students, they just did very well, more than their abilities and capabilities. I was not sure that this will be done on such a great level.
Okay, when you were school going child, did you used to perform, any activities in the functions?
Yes, I was very much interested. I enthusiastically participated in such events. And I remember that we had the art competition, and I won the first prize because I was very much interested in artwork. And we also had the fresh flower competition. Then we had different skits which were performed in our during our morning assemblies. So I used to participate in such events and had lots of certificates and prizes from my principal.
Do you think that parents must motivate their children to participate in such sort of
Yes,
functions?
motivation is not only the matter, or is not, the students are not only motivated from the teachers, they are also motivated by their parents. It is also wholly and solely the thing depends on the parents and the teachers, not only the teachers, or it is also the matter of the skills which are hidden in the students.
Okay, well, you have been very fluent enough in your speaking, and inshallah, very soon you will be getting your desired bands, and that will be most probably 7.5 and 8 bands, inshallah, in
Inshallah.
speaking. All the best.
Thank you.